And Governor Greg Abbott announced earlier today that the state is going to be providing vital equipment to healthcare workers and first responders all on the front lines against COVID-19. Want to get an update on that. CBS 11's Jack Fink spoke with the governor, in fact, earlier this afternoon.
Abbott says doctors Deborah Birx and Anthony Fauci tell him Texas may hit the top of the COVID-19 curve in mid or late April.
Those numbers are going to continue to increase, with the Dallas area in particular being one of the hottest spots in the state of Texas.
Last week, there were 1,400 people statewide who tested positive for the virus and 18 deaths. Today, nearly 4,700 people statewide tested positive and 70 have died. The governor says Texans need to stay home unless they're going to the grocery store or pharmacy or getting fresh air. But they still must stay 6 feet away from others. If they ignore his orders,
they're increasing the possibility that they will contract COVID-19 that could put themselves at risk of losing their lives. Also, it increases the possibility of transmission of COVID-19 in Texas.
The governor says even in the worst-case scenario, the state has enough hospital beds. He says just in the past 5 days, the state has provided to healthcare workers 1.3 million masks, 1.5 million gloves, 165,000 face shields, and 155,000 gowns.
What we are working on a daily basis is to make sure we have additional personal protection equipment coming in that we can disperse across the entire state.
What about first responders getting that equipment?
First responders are essential to have the equipment, and they are included in the recipients.
The pandemic has also taken an economic toll on Texans, with more than 500,000 people filing for unemployment benefits in the last 19 days.
I know that their ability to get in and communicate with the Texas Workforce Commission has been compromised because there are so many people who are applying for unemployment benefits, more than ever before in history. So what we did, we went out and hired hundreds of more people who can help process these claims, and then brought in additional people from other agencies.
Governor Abbott says just because you may not have been able to file an unemployment claim with the Texas Workforce Commission doesn't mean you will be denied. Our full interview with the governor is on our website, cbsdfw.com. In Dallas, Jack Fink, CBS 11 News.
Jack, thanks for the new information.